Welcome to day 13 to learn how to do realistic drawing with Logo Art. Here I teach you different way to do realistic details, different way to do pencil work, different way to do realistic drawing. Now, how was this artist able to achieve this realistic drawing? Now, first of all, instead of him using his pencil to create the details, okay, after building his layers, instead of him using his pencil to create the details, this artist decided to go in for blending stamp, the small one, okay, like what he's doing. He used blending stamp, he dipped his blending stamp into his powder, then he used to create the details, used to create lines, okay. Do you understand? You use blending stamp, this one you just dip it into your powder, then you used to create the lines gradually. You used to create the lines gradually. So after it's done, then you use a soft brush to blend it for it to blend everything. Do you understand? So that when you use eraser or something, it can pop up. Do you get it? So the second step is you use this soft brush to blend it after using the blending stamp to create the lines. Okay. So after blending it, he used his electric eraser. Now I told you the reason why he blended it, so that when he uses his eraser to do it, he can create that reflection. Okay, because if he doesn't use anything, if there's no layer and then he uses his eraser, nothing will pop out. It won't look depth. There's no depth. Nothing. So he blend it a bit, which is the second step. The third step is that he uses electric eraser. Now in this case, if you don't have electric eraser, you can go in for Tombow eraser, you can go in for eraser pencil, you can go in for white charcoal pencil. Now he used electric eraser to create the dots. Okay, so after creating the dots, then he now came to use his pencil, his hard pencil. Okay, he just do it the other way around. Instead of using the pencil initially, he didn't use it, he's using it last. Do you understand? So it's creativity. It depends on how you want your technique, how you want it. You just have to get your own style. So after using the pencil, he then did his final highlight, which is using his white charcoal pencil, which I can clearly know that this is Genoa's charcoal pencil, white Genoa charcoal pencil, which is perfect. So these are the steps you use to create these details. You can also do, if you're a beginner, you can learn this method and practice it and get your own style out of it. Do you understand? That is what makes you an artist. Now if you like this video, like this tutorial, just type draw in the comment section and I'll be bringing this every single day to improve your artwork. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.
Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.